It is back to school season. You need a little pick-me-up. Today we're making this amazing 1-minute microwave soft and chewy sugar cookie. This is quick, delicious, and makes the perfect after-school study snack. We're going to start with the butter, which we do want to melt in the microwave. Add the sugar and vanilla. The full written recipe will be in the description box below. Give these ingredients a quick mix and add the milk. Ideally, you do want the milk to be at room temperature or the butter will seize, but who am I kidding? Are you going to do that? Add the flour, baking soda, and salt. Do not skip the salt. Sugar cookies really need that salt to balance out the sweetness. If you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe for new delicious treats. Now, I do like to add sprinkles. You can add white chocolate chips or leave it plain. Sugar cookies don't really need mix-ins, so it's up to you. If you want to add some mix-ins, go ahead. You'll eventually have to bring the dough together with your hands, shape it into a ball, and you do want to press it down. Do not flatten the cookie completely. Aim for about a little less than half an inch thick. Doesn't have to be precise, but at the same time, you don't want it to be too thin. Okay, just look at the video like this. You do want to put the cookie on a piece of parchment paper. I'm going to add more sprinkles on top as well, and you're going to pop this baby in the microwave on full power for about a minute to 1 minute and 15 seconds. Every microwave is different. Mine took exactly 1 minute and 10 seconds to fully cook. Do not overcook the cookie or it will burn. Your cookie should come out of the microwave still soft, so you want to be gentle and allow the cookie to cool for about 5 minutes, otherwise it will fall apart in your hands. You do want to enjoy this warm. Microwave recipes are always best eaten fresh and on the spot. And considering this was made in the microwave in 1 minute, this is good. If you love soft and warm sugar cookies, you will love this. Have it as is. Have it with ice cream. This makes a great study snack.